is he who claims a teacher affects eternity? No one knows where his influence lips. Would this be letter A, Henry Adams, letter B, Lao Tzu, letter C, Plato, or letter D, John Steinbeck? Who is our choice? Ang tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter A. It is Henry Adams. So ayun na po, no? Henry Adams, sa kanya pong ginawang The Education of Henry Adams, siya po yung nagsabi, di ba? Siya po yung nagsabi, a teacher affects eternity, he can never tell where his influence stops. Okay, so letter A, ang ating hinahanap. Si Lao Tzu po, in some other choice or sources, no, this is Lao Tzu. Siya po yung nabigay sa atin ng Taoism, okay? Philosophy of going with the flow of nature, di ba? Riding the tide. Kumbaga, sabi po ng Taoism, na dapat hindi natin kinokontra yung ating tadhana, hindi natin kinokontra yung mother nature, hindi natin kinokontra yung destiny natin. That's Taoism, no? That's from Lao Tzu. Si Plato, of course, na isa sa mga napaka-importanting Greek philosophers natin. Siya din yung nagsulat ng The Republic, no? Kung saan po dinescribe niya kung ano yung ideal type ng society, no? That's Plato, The Republic, Idealism. American author naman po, si John Steinbeck.